In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the most useful new Android features from the March 2026 feature drop. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to turn them on and use them step by step. A lot of these features are available right now, but most people don't even realize they exist. So by the end of this video, you'll have everything fully set up and ready to use. Before we start, make sure your phone is updated to the latest Android version because these features won't appear otherwise. To check that, go into Settings, scroll down to System, tap Software Update, and install any pending updates. Once your phone is up to date, we're ready to go. Let's start with one of the most useful features, live location sharing inside Google Messages. This is perfect for meeting friends, tracking family members, or even for safety reasons. First, open Google Messages and choose the conversation where you want to share your location. If you don't already have a conversation open, just start a new chat by tapping the Compose button and selecting a contact. Now, look at the text input area and tap on the plus icon or attachment icon next to it. A menu will pop up with different options. Here, you need to find and tap on Location. If this is your first time using this feature, your phone will ask for permission to access your location. Make sure you select Allow all the time or Allow while using the app, and also enable precise location for better accuracy. Once that's done, a map will appear showing your current position. At this point, you'll see two options, sending your current location or sharing live location. Tap on Live Location, then choose how long you want to share it. Options usually include 1 hour, a few hours, or until you turn it off manually. After selecting the duration, tap Send. Now, the person you're chatting with will be able to see your real-time movement on the map. If you ever want to stop sharing early, just go back into the chat and tap Stop Sharing. It's a simple feature, but extremely powerful when used in the right situations. Next, let's move on to something especially useful for travelers, tracking your lost items like luggage using the upgraded Find Hub system in Find My Device. This feature now works with Bluetooth trackers, making it much easier to locate your belongings. To set this up, first open the Find My Device app on your phone. If you don't have it installed, go to the Play Store and download it. Once you open the app, sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Now, before adding a tracker, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then take your Bluetooth tracker, this could be attached to your luggage, backpack, or keys, and put it into pairing mode. Usually, this involves pressing and holding a button on the tracker. Now, go into your phone's Bluetooth settings and connect to the tracker. Once it's paired, go back into the Find My Device app and look for an option like Add New Device or Add Item. Tap on it and your tracker should appear in the list. Select it, then give it a name like Suitcase or Travel Bag so you can easily recognize it later. After setup, your item will show up on a map inside the app. If you ever lose it, simply open the app and check its location. You'll see the last known position, and if the tracker is still connected, you might even see its live location. You can also tap a button to make the tracker play a sound, which is super helpful if it's nearby but hidden. This feature is incredibly useful, not just for travel, but for everyday items you tend to misplace. Now, let's explore something new and fun, Play Shorts inside the Google Play Store. This is Google's new way of helping you discover apps using short, engaging videos instead of just reading descriptions. To access this, open the Google Play Store and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once you're inside, look around the home screen or bottom navigation bar for a section labeled Shorts or something similar. Tap on it and you'll enter a vertical video feed similar to social media platforms. Here, you can scroll through short clips that showcase different apps and games in action. If you find something interesting, you'll see an install button right on the video. Just tap it and the app will start downloading instantly. There's no complicated setup here, but it's a great feature to explore because it helps you find useful apps you might never search for manually. Spend a few minutes scrolling and you'll probably discover something new. Finally, let's set up the calling card feature, which gives your phone calls a more personalized and modern look. This feature lets you create a profile that appears when you call someone. To set it up, open your default phone app and go into the settings menu by tapping the three dots or menu icon. Look for an option called Calling Card, Caller Profile, or something similar depending on your device. Once you find it, tap on it and start creating your profile. You'll be able to add your name, a profile picture, and sometimes even customize colors or styles. Make sure you choose a clear photo so people can recognize you easily. Some phones may also ask you to connect your Google account for syncing. After filling in all the details, tap Save. Now, whenever you call someone who has this feature enabled, they'll see your customized calling card instead of just your number. If you ever want to edit it, you can come back to the same settings and update your information anytime. So, those are some of the most useful Android features from the March 2026 feature drop, along with complete step-by-step instructions on how to set them up. The key thing here is not just knowing about these features, but actually turning them on and using them in your daily life. Take a few minutes after this video to go through each one and set it up on your phone. That way, you'll get the full benefit of what Android has to offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to try out at least one feature right now and you'll immediately notice the difference in how you use your phone every day.